fam, welcome to another video. I am so glad you decided to join me today. As you can see by the title of the video, this is another silk press video. Yep. If you haven't seen my first ever silk press video, it is right here. You need a backstory from that video to be able to know what I'm talking about right now. But anyways, let's go ahead. So after that first silk press video, I left a review at the salon that I went to, and thankfully a nice black stylist reached out to me, and she stated that she was going to give me a free silk press and that she was going to evaluate my hair to figure out what went wrong in the first silk press. So number one, that gives me some knowledge that she knows about coily hair. And honestly, when I clicked on her reviews, that specific black stylist reviews in the salon, she had a lot of black clients. And each one came with pictures of their before and after silk presses, and they all ate so bad. So honestly, I am super excited for her to do my hair today. So I'm going to take you guys with me, and you're going to see everything that's going to happen today, just like the other video, right? As I said, it's free of charge. So honestly, the only thing I might be paying is tips if it comes out well. This is also my hair on day 2, twist out. It looks beautiful. And honestly, if it wasn't for the soap press that I'm going to do, I would have kept it in for a couple more days because I love when my hair is like this. But anyways, I am excited. Okay, it's still very cold in spring. It's not too hot, so I know the soap press should last me a couple of days because I honestly wash my hair every week anyway. So I don't want a soap press sitting in my hair for like a month or so, like some people do. My scalp suffers, so I cannot leave any hairstyle in for more than a week, honestly, because I'll get a very itchy scalp and I'm not trying to deal with that. But anyways, enough talking. Let's go. Okay, so I just got here. My appointment is at 5 o'clock. I am 10 minutes early, so I think I'm just gonna chill in my car. The weather is so good today, so honestly, if it comes out well, I might go somewhere to eat after this, but that's something that I'll decide if it goes well. But anyways, guys, my hair looks so good too. Like, oh my gosh, I'm kind of sad that I'm gonna do it so press when my hair looks this good. Just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day. I hope y'all can see. So cute, right? Anyways, the sun was just out. I don't know where I went, but I'm gonna head in now.
But when it comes to just taking care of my hair, I started like a year ago. I used to do a lot of braids like 2 years ago, and then it was just like breaking my hair out. Yeah. So it was last year that I just decided, like around this time last year in April, I just decided not to do it again, and I've grown my hair now just by not.
Wow, just by not doing the braids and
Yeah.
stuff.
Yeah. Last year I only did braids like one time for my birthday in September. And when I took it out, I realized why I didn't do braids anymore.
Okay, so last time compared to this time, the wash was absolutely horrible. But this time, as you can see, she is taking her time with my hair. She gave me multiple washes, and I really felt my hair was clean. She was getting under my scalp, and even though she didn't section my hair, she was getting in there. As you can see, she doesn't have any long nails that is not allowing her to get deep into my scalp, which I absolutely loved. And it's crazy because the stylist was talking to me the whole time. We talked, we had good conversations, and the service went by very quickly. Unlike last time, my stylist and I, we didn't really say anything to each other. It was a little boring, but me personally, I don't mind if we don't talk, but when we do talk, it makes the service much more enjoyable. As you can see, I am very relaxed, and honestly, this service is going way better than I expected it to, and I am glad. And one thing I really appreciated her for was that she tests the water every time she is about to add it to my hair. I feel like this is something that really good stylists do when they care about their clients, right? They want to make sure that you're comfortable at all times. And she literally did that every single time. And I love that so much. And just because of that, I think I'll definitely go back if this silk press comes out well. I'll definitely go back for hair to do my hair, even if it's just a regular wash, because it was very, very relaxing. So after the shampoo treatment, she advised me that I should do a hair mask because this will help my hair retain moisture just so that my silk press does not revert as quickly as it should due to me being not heat trained. So after that, she took me back to the bow. And again, I think this is something that this salon does, but they do not detangle your hair at the bow. I don't know why that is, because if someone is paying for a shampoo service and a wash, I believe detangling comes with that, right? But however, my hair did feel soft after the hair mask, so I'm not really going to complain much, but at the same time, I don't think it makes sense, especially for a 4C hair girly. My hair tangles very easily, and detangling is what really helps when you're about to style it, right? But I mean, I don't know. Let's see how she does it. But I think this is their way of saving time just so that they could get to their next client on time. But at the same time, I don't think it makes any sense because I am 4C and I'm also high porosity. So moisture leaves my hair quickly, meaning that my hair gets dry quickly and it gets matted and tangled quickly. So at this point, I don't even know. But overall, I feel really good right now. It's also very crazy to me because before I thought I was low porosity. But as you can see, the water goes through my hair and it doesn't bounce off my hair. So that's how I know that I am high porosity. But at the same time, as the water is going in my hair, it's also getting dried, which is crazy because that's why I'm saying that when it comes to high porosity hair, you have to know what you're doing. Else, you will never be able to keep moisture in your hair. At least this lady knows what she's doing. That's why she made me do the hair mask. And right now, she is going in with heat protectant and making sure that it is going on all of my strands. Because remember, we're about to flat iron my hair and I cannot have it be fried. I would literally be in shambles if my hair comes out heat damaged. So I actually appreciate her for making sure that she's putting a good, heat protectant on my hair before she even goes in to blow dry my hair. was impressed by how the last stylist blow dried my hair, but this one is even much more impressive. When you look at it, it looks like she has passed like a flat iron on my hair. Look at how straight it literally looks. It's honestly crazy to me. Like, this salon definitely knows how to blow dry your hair for it to look really, really, really straight. And I'm here for that. I'm loving it, honestly. This itself, the moment I saw this, I knew the silk press would eat because I heard that a good blow dry is what makes your silk press come out very, very well. And honestly, she does know what she's doing. She did say that she has been doing hair for the past 24 years. And it's crazy because I am also 24. So when she said that, I was like, wow, so you have been doing hair way before I was even born. That's actually wild. And it shows. Just look at how straight my hair looks with just a blow drying, method that she's doing. It's honestly awesome. And here I asked her why she was re-wetting my hair, and she said that you have to re-wet the hair for it to be blow dried really well. She said sometimes people with 4C hair, when they lose the moisture in their hair, blow drying becomes non-effective. So she had to add moisture to blow dry the hair, which is honestly something that I feel like an expert would know, and clearly she knows what she's doing. So I'm honestly really, really impressed, like by the whole service and everything. And so far, I'm loving it. So continue watching. So as you can see, she does 3 passes, or sometimes she does 2 passes on certain parts. I was just a little bit like shy and scared to ask her how, high the heat was. But I feel like she knows what she's doing, so I didn't ask. But I know most times people are like, oh, you only need to do 1 pass. But I guess, for certain hair types, you have to do multiple passes for it to be okay. So honestly, as long as my hair is looking silky as it is, I really don't mind. But she did also put heat protectant, so I wasn't really worried much about how many passes she was doing. Also, there was some heat that would come off the hair, but it wasn't like fried type of heat coming off the hair, if you get what I mean. But yeah, so far she's doing really well, and she works very fast. Like, it's been just an hour and maybe 20 minutes so far, and she's almost done, which is impressive because last time I was in the chair for like almost 3 hours and the soap press did not even eat. So she's faster than the other one, and also she knows what she's doing. So I'm very, very happy. Coily fam. So it is done and the hair looks amazing. Like, this is giving silky. Just look at that. So silky. I am super happy and super impressed with the results. The owner was the one that actually reached out to me. I didn't know she was the owner, but she was the owner, and she said that she has been doing hair for 24 years. I am 24 years. So she was literally laughing when I told her that. She was like, "Oh, I've been doing hair ever since you were born." And I was like, "Yeah, you know what you're doing." That's why my hair turned out so silky. Just look at that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I love it. I would definitely come back again just because of the owner. And also, she accepts a lot of clients, so it's not like I'm going to be on a wait list of any kind. She also gave me advice on when to trim my hair, how to trim my hair. And she said there was a little bit she needed to cut off, so she cut off a little bit in the front. But I'm happy with that. I don't really care. Next thing is, she told me to get this serum. This was the one that she used to do my hair. She said to use this at least 2 days or every day to keep my hair moisturized, so I'll do that. This has no type of water in it. It's not water based, this is oil based, so it will not revert my hair. She said that since my hair is also not heat trained, it might revert back in a week, but honestly I'm good with that because I do work out and I don't need my hair to stay the same. Also, I wash my hair every week, so it reverting back is not really gonna hurt me in any way, shape or form. But Coily fam, I am so happy with this results. I'm gonna go out to eat just to show my hair because we're not going home after this, honey. Anyways, thank you again for joining me on the channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye. It's been officially 3 hours since the appointment and my hair looks great. It hasn't reverted back, so hallelujah to that. I can actually say it will last a week. But then again, thank you for watching and I'll see you next week. Bye bye.